Hi guys, today we'll be sprouting some bean sprouts. We'll be using a method that my family has been using for decades, using a steamer pot of all things. Pot is the perfect vessel because the trays have holes which allow air to circulate. The bottom tray collects excess moisture, and when assembled, it provides a dark environment for the beans to sprout. I'm lining the steamer tray with cheesecloth here. For the beans themselves, I'm using whole unsplit mung beans. I'm soaking about 3/4 cup to about a cup here. Be mindful when you soak because it can be deceptive. This produces a lot. The following morning, give it a good rinse and strain it. Then distribute the beans evenly onto the steamer trays. Assemble your steamer and set it on the side in the corner of your kitchen somewhere, and don't think about it for about a day. After a day, you'll start to see them sprout like this. Give the beans a good rinse. Let the tray sit in the sink to drain for a minute before returning it to the pot. After about 3 days, voila! You have more than enough for stir fry, top your Khua Mee, or even a pho party. Other sprouts you can sprout are the A-listers like alfalfa and broccoli. These are green lentils. They're high in protein and are a great vegetarian option. For my foodie friends, you can add a little spice to your life with radish sprouts like these. Thank you for watching. For these instructions and more, visit my website at crafts2crumbs.com.